Africa Content TV.
Ably represented the another son of Ibadan. Senator, I'm sorry, no, His Excellency. It's not just Senator. Dapo Abiodun. Your Excellency, the Governor of your state, Engineer Makinde. Your Excellency, the Governor of your state, Senator. I don't know why I'm calling him Senator. It's not yet a Senator now. Prince Abiodun. The juggernaut. Sorry, the Deputy Governor of Ogun State also said, I recognize the juggernaut in the government of the President, Umahi, CON-FNSE. Royal Palace, after this I will stand on the existing protocol. I've been hearing everybody talking APC. Bola Tinubu is not an APC man, no. Bola Tinubu is working and deserves to be president for a long time. This is not an APC rally. It is a rally that we are here to thank Mr. President for making this road project possible. Those of us in Ibadan know that the only area in Ibadan where terrorists have been kidnapping people is on this road. So, if Mr. President believes in us and thinks that we need to be safe, and they decide to make this road for us, I think it has more than being an APC president. He's not an APC president. He's president of Nigeria. The only thing I can look at is that his performance is likely to help the APC win elections. So we are not discounting the performance of Mr. President at all. We believe he deserves a long tenure. Even though other parties are gambling to say they are there, they are not visible. We believe that by the time election comes, people of Ibadan land, people of your state will talk. You will recall that a few weeks ago, I led the Oyo State Obas to thank Mr. President, not only for this road, but for the rescue of our children and teachers from the local government. So the people of Oyo State thank Mr. President. In fact, the governor of Oyo State thanks Mr. President. I can tell you that we are grateful. Everybody in Oyo State is grateful, not only Ibadan land, but the whole of Oyo State. Both the government and people of Oyo State thank Mr. President for this speech. We have looked, if you look at what the president is doing, you will think that it's partial to your state, but it's normal that it should be partial to your state. He had his first court and his first breakthrough in Ibadan. At least I know that Remi Tinubu was brought up in Ibadan.
Wow.
And President said she was his pillar. So if your pillar is from Ibadan, then you are from Ibadan. And this road between Ijebu and Ibadan is not, you don't even see the difference between Ijebu and Ibadan now. We have Ijebu, we have Ijebu bypass. So where is it? Ibadan is part of Ijebu, Ibadan is part of Ijebu, Ijebu is part of Ibadan. So we do not see any difference between us. So that is why when people say it's the first good road that goes to Ibadan, of course, Ibadan was the center of activities at that time in Nigeria, not even in Western region. So, Mr. Minister, thank you very much for this effort. I've had the opportunity of talking to the contractor, and they assured me that the road will be delivered in 24 months. And I told him that I am impressed. I'm impressed that this road, a 65-kilometer road, realized concrete will be delivered in 24 months. It's a feat. So thank you very much, Mr. JRP, for taking this job and for starting it. And we believe that Mr. President will make sure that we are well funded so that the work will not stop. The work will not stop because 24 months, if you count 24 months, it's not yet 2031 now. That should the work stop. If you are living office in 2031 and the work is 24 months, 2 years. So that is just 2028. So we are sure that the road will be commissioned by Mr. President when it is time to commission it. I will not end this meeting by not mentioning the fact that Ibadan has been the center of everything. There's another road that has been the news for recent. Ibadan Road. I was talking to the minister now and said that the president has given me a marching order that road also should become constructed. So, Mr. Minister, the ball is in your court. Mr. President, Mr. Minister, the ball is in your court. Honorable Minister, the ball is in your court. Not only the ball is in your court, Senator Dapo, Governor Dapo, please remind him. So I will just say the people of Ibadan land, the people of Oyo State, take this opportunity to thank Mr. President for all he has been doing for us. And we believe whether it belongs to this or not, doesn't matter. Unfortunately, his president candidates are not allowed to contest. I will have advised him that he should test his own personality by adopting being an independent candidate. Because of all these people who want Mr. President to tag them, who want to tag along Mr. President, I will say he can go and work in every. So, Mr. Minister, please thank Mr. President for us and tell him that we are very, very grateful and we retaliate during the election.
Olubadan ilẹ̀ Ìbàdàn. Bàbá ti sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni ó sì ṣe rí. Lẹ́yìn náà láti parí ọ̀nà Ìbàdàn sí Ìjẹ̀bú, ọ̀nà Ìbàdàn sábẹ́ òkúta ló túbọ̀.